Mayday, Boston, Virgin 138 Mike. It's maintaining flight level 280. We have smoke in the cabin. Stand by for further instructions.
Virgin 138 Mike, roger, and give me a dive.
Can you tell us what runway Boston is using, please?
Boston's on 22 left.
And just advise, we've had a seat fire in the back of the aircraft. We will require fire service for a moment, please.
Virgin 138 Mike, have you taken the left?
Yes, sir, we've had a seat fire. We've had a seat fire on the rear of the aircraft. We require the fire services when we land, please.
Virgin 138 Mike, roger. When you're able, souls on board and fuel remaining in pounds.
We have 217 souls on board, and we have 40 tons of fuel. Our nature of our problem is a seat fire which has now extinguished. We intend to land at Boston